Is Apple ready to go from red to green? Stay tuned. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. The speaker's opinions should not be considered as advice from a licensed professional. Viewers should not use this content as a specific inducement to make investments or follow strategies, but rather as an expression of opinion. Follow the rest of the disclaimer, but please do your own research. What up, Tycoons? Welcome to Tycoon Network, where we specialize in trading stock options and providing educational stock market investing to help others achieve financial success. Now, we have Apple right here, and Apple weekly chart. Now, you'll see a lot going on here, but I'll explain it to you. So, we have the Wyckoff setup right here. So phase A, B, C, D, and then phase E, which should be straight up, okay? Now, the Wyckoff, as you can see here, has where it has a preliminary sell-off, selling climax, and then so on and so forth. Then we have a spring down here, which leads us to go to a sign of strength, a little bit sideways, and then go straight up, okay? So that is what I see as happening right here. We had the spring, all right, in 2023, we had the spring, and then we went up, then we went sideways, which, in my opinion, created a, that sign of strength right here, the bullish up thrust, and the last point of supports right here, which also looked like a leading diagonal, okay? Boom, 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 leading diagonal, came down, which also led us to look at this a lot closer and see that this looks a lot like an Elliott wave setup within there, okay? So the Elliott wave, as I mentioned, is the impulse wave up, and then ABC correction down, and then up again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then ABC down. So what we see is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then that leading diagonal was A, B, and then C. And then we should be going up towards, I would say, 198.51, but our real price target is 219.30. Okay, so we could hit 219.30 over the next couple of months. In my opinion, I'll scale down to the daily to kind of show you on a closer scale what we're looking at. So every time we've actually went up, you'll see down here we had a major bullish divergence. Okay, so major bullish divergence right there, and then that was around the beginning of 2023, which led us on that big uptrend over there. Okay, and then we started dropping for that leading diagonal. Okay, and then we had another bullish divergence right here. Okay, you see that? So we pulled up. Now over here we had another bullish divergence. Boom, we pulled up, but we got stopped at a resistance right here. Okay, so this led to us creating that leading diagonal that we see now. And this is what led us to know, okay, we're going to pull up again. This might be the end of the leading diagonal. Boom, that was. And then we could not get above resistance. So we fell, which led us to know, okay, the leading diagonal was the ABC correction. A, B, and then C. Okay, so you can clearly see, exactly where that ended at down here at this blue line, which is the 400 SMA. Okay, now what we're seeing is a possible bullish divergence right here. All right, we're seeing that bullish divergence right here, lower low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Now that is what's leading us to believe it could be headed to our price target above, which is 191.51 and then 219. But we have to get above this 50 SMA that's in yellow, which is 177. So above that 177 to 178 area, we go into phase E of the Wyckoff schematic that I showed you. And then we should be smooth sailing to around 219. Why would this happen? Because we have Iran and Israel on the verge of war, and then we have a lot of other things happening. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna lie to you, but if we do not hold this area of around like 166, then we go bearish, okay? And then we'll start the bearish count below 166. I'll actually make a an alert right there
just to show at or below. All right. And then I make another alert around what I said as far as 178. Okay. So we'll make another alert right there, 178. Boom. All right. So above 178, then I want to get above like 184. Okay. We'll make another one around 184. All right. So above 178, we get to 184, and above 184, we get to 198.51. Okay. So this is what I'm looking at on Apple. You can, use your discretion. A lot of people might see this as a double top, but if it's a double top, why didn't it drop right here? It's not a double top, okay? And actually, if you could see what happened right here, it's identical. Let me show you this real quick. It's identical to what happened over here, okay? So why isn't it dropping if it's a double top? This is the weekly chart, by the way. Okay, so anything can happen this week. I'm not, opposing it not being a double top, but we need to lose that support in order for it to be a double top, or it could turn into a W pattern or a double bottom. So boom, bottom, bottom, or W. All right, so it could turn into a W pattern. So there's a lot to look at right there, but in my opinion, I'm looking at the bigger picture, which is this possibly being, a Wyckoff setup. I've been following it since it was like, 2021 and 2022. So in my opinion, this is kind of the clearest picture. So once we get above those levels I mentioned, we get to 198.51 and then 219, below 166. Then we start bearish, and then we're looking for around like 154. Okay. That is what I'm looking at on Apple, and happy trading.
Make sure you join our free newsletter, The Tycoon Blueprint. Invest smarter, grow faster. All you have to do is click the link below and provide your email to subscribe. Don't forget to join our exclusive trading and investing community, where we provide a blend of technical analysis and cutting-edge AI technology like AI-powered stock predictive flow channels. We have the crypto alerts for breakouts. We have the stock option callouts by AI. They even give you the strike price and the expiration, along with several other features. We also have the trade suggestions from ourselves, the stock suggestions, leap suggestions, callouts from ourselves, economic data updates, and much more. Make sure you click the link below to join. Here's some of the profits from our trading group. We have from 20% all the way up to 4,000%. Now that's an anomaly, but we also have a couple 100% right here, 500, 160 right here. We also have 50%. So we look forward to seeing you in our trading group so you can get some profit as well. Also, whether you're an expert trader in need of a little help, or if you're a novice and you've never traded before, you want to get our accelerated trading course just for $19.97. We have 3 sections in there: foundation, framework, and finishes. Also having a bonus section with a lot of material that can help you with the investment journey, and it comes with a few ebooks. So this keeps it really simple, hones in on how you can make money now and in the future in the market. So this is really essential if you want to learn and grow. So accelerated trading course, only $19.97. You want to grab that. Lastly, if you or someone you know is interested in futures trading, click that link below for Apex Trader Funding and the promo code. Input that promo code for 80% off. Now, if you don't have a ton of money, you can get access to between $25,000 and $300,000 per account. All you have to do is pay a small monthly fee, but with the promo code, you'll get 80% off. If you get 20 accounts for $300,000, that's $6 million in trader funding. And all you have to do is pay $2,000 a month. So you get access to $25,000 for your first withdrawal. And after that, you'll get 90% of the profits that you make. So once again, click that link below, put the promo code in, start trading now.